Welcome to 137 Fell Station Drive in beautiful Fenelon Falls, Ontario. Bring your Sea-Doo, bring your boat, experience some of the best waterfront the Kawarthas has to offer, all connected through the Trent Severn waterway system. Let's start by taking a look from above. This completely turnkey, renovated, four-season A-frame waterfront home features 4 generous-sized bedrooms, 2 baths, an oversized lot with 115 feet of waterfront directly on the deep and desirable Burnt River that flows into Cameron Lake. There's lots of parking, a flat topography, a Regency fireplace in the great room, an outdoor granite hand-chipped fireplace with built-in smoker, a heated and encapsulated crawl space, amongst many other features and upgrades. You need to come and see this property to truly appreciate how great it really is. On behalf of the Willows Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty, and myself, Cody Sturgess, Realtor, I want to thank you for watching this amazing 4 seasons A-frame waterfront home tour today. If you want to be enjoying this amazing property for the May 2-4 weekend, now is the time to buy. The property is completely turnkey, whether you want it for yourself or you want it for friends and family. To purchase this property, please contact me at the number below and come to one of the upcoming open houses.